anniversary are coming to an end. To every K-Corner who joined us from all around the world, thank you. 3 years ago, I made my debut on the K-Con stage, and this year, it's been an honor to return as an ambassador. It's amazing to look back and see how much I've grown. And it has made me realize just how much K-Con means to me. Just as I have, I'll continue to make K-Pop and K-Pop history alongside more artists in the years to come. Keep celebrating every day. The doors of K-Social will open once again, and we'll see you back here soon. Alright, one last time. You know how this works, right? When I say let's, you say K-Con. And when I say K-Con, I want to hear you shout Murja! Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's K-Con! K-Con!